morning. It's 9:34. I'm Todd Matthews of the morning, and it's at this point on Wednesday mornings we spend a little time with our friend Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured, and present Ask the Lawyer. Questions about the law that you perhaps have submitted. If you did, maybe today's the day you'll get an answer. If you didn't, you never have, but you've always been curious about something, we'll tell you how to submit a question coming up momentarily. First, though, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Absolutely terrific. The better question is, how are you doing after 2 bouts with COVID back to back? Oh, you poor guy. You doing okay?
I'm doing great. I'm all better, and thank you for asking.
Good. Let's keep it that way this time. We've got a question that's going to require your legendary sensitivity. You know, we come to you sometimes with some very difficult, very personal situations, and you've always been so good about explaining things in a very compassionate way. So put on that hat, and let's get ready for today's question. You all set?
I'm ready.
Okay, Bruce. It says, my 19-year-old daughter had booked a massage at a Venice massage salon. The male therapist touched her genitals. When I confronted the man, he claimed that touching her was part of the therapy. My daughter is distraught and will need a lot of counseling and treatment. The masseuse has quit and disappeared because the police are looking to charge him with sexual battery after they got him to admit that he touched her in a controlled phone call. The salon is claiming they are not responsible, and they also indicated that it could have been part of her therapy. Seriously? Can the lawyer help us know what to do next? Well, I know that Bruce is going to be able to help with this situation. Bruce, I'm sure you've dealt with this kind of thing before, as sad as it is.
Yes, Todd, we've dealt with it on many occasions, and the therapist's response is just preposterous.
Mm-hmm. Thought so.
A female has every right to go in and get a massage and be afforded the right of being a female and not being touched in inappropriate places.
Exactly.
So, unfortunately, this type of sexual assault is all too prevalent.
Mm-hmm.
This is a timely question because the month of April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month.
Oh, is it? Didn't know that.
And according to the CDC, 44% of women experience some form of sexual violence.
That is just too high of a number. I'm sorry.
It's absolutely too high. And, we should do everything we can to protect our female population and help the women as much as we can.
Right.
Now, this is interesting because in Florida, a licensed therapist is prohibited from having contact with a client's genitals.
Oh, I didn't know it was actually a legal designation. That's good to know.
Yeah, the daughter has a right to pursue the salon for damages.
Mm-hmm. Now
a lot of people don't realize, but these physical sexual contacts have long-lasting results psychologically.
Oh, of course they do.
And they have a great effect on women. So this poor young lady would be entitled to a substantial settlement or jury verdict based on her pain and suffering, inconvenience, inability to enjoy life, and all those type of damages.
Not to mention ongoing therapy, which could mean years and years and years worth.
Right. That's exactly right.
Now, what I was going to say a second ago is we really have two parties here. There's the masseuse who's quit and disappeared, who knows if he can ever be tracked down. And there's also the massage salon putting up this obviously bogus defense that it could have been part of her therapy. Is it something where she can go and try to get her compensation from the salon alone?
Yes, she can, and their answer seems to be helpful to her claim because in order to have the salon responsible, we have to show some knowledge on behalf of the salon of the activities of their therapist.
Okay.
But when they stand up and say that this is a permissible act, it seems to say they're ratifying what he did, and I think we would have a good shot at the salon as well as the therapist.
Yeah, because they're making it sound like business as usual, which we know it is not. So, yeah, I can see how that would help her. That's good.
Exactly.
Oh, this is such a terrible situation. And like I said, I know you've dealt with this before. I'm hoping that this particular aspect of your practice diminishes quickly because this is just too much.
I join in with that, Ty, but unfortunately it seems to be growing as opposed to getting smaller because, you know, whether it's the masseuse or the doctor's office or, you know, the coach of a team, you know, it's just getting much too prevalent.
Unfortunately, that is the case. All right, Bruce. Well, at least this should have cleared up some of the confusion. Obviously, for this father and his daughter, reach out to a professional right now and find somebody who can help you, find a legal professional who can help you take this to the next level and begin to seek some help.
I think that's great advice, Todd.
All right, Bruce. Well, listen, thank you so much again for your legendary compassion dealing with a very difficult situation. And I do hope that you stay well. Say hi to the family from all of us at Kicks Country, please.
I will, and I look forward to speaking with you next Wednesday.
As do we. Take care. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up again for Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And if you need some immediate help, well, please don't bother sending a question into the radio station. You go right to the Port Charlotte office, call this number, and get help right away. 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. If you would like to submit a question for future consideration, just go to the station's website and put Bruce in the keyword search box. Otherwise, call 941-743-7777. And tell them that Todd sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.